Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online classes of St. Thomas School. And this video is on the maths of class 8. Now exercise 9.3. Okay. Fourth question over fifth one. In this fifth question also, first and second done. Third one. Two terms are given. Let's see first of all first term. Simplify it. Multiply this monomial with each term of its trinomial. 4L into 10n. So 4L into 10n, 4 tens are 40 into Ln. Then 4L into 3n. 4 3s are 12 Lm. Okay. Then 4L into 2L. So 4 2s are 8 L into L square. 8L square. Then second term. Now here minus sign is there. So you have to consider this minus sign in the multiplication. 3L into L. So it's a minus 3L square. 3L into minus 4M. So 3 4s are 12L into M. So 12Lm, but plus, because minus minus plus. Minus 3L into 5N. So minus plus, this minus and this plus, minus here, and 3 into 5, 15L into N, Ln. Okay. So multiplication done. Now find out the like terms. 8L square minus 3L square. Then 12Lm, 12Lm plus minus. Both are like terms. Along with the sign you have to write 40Ln and 15Ln. Here. This plus minus cancel. 8 minus 3, 5. So here 5L square. 40 minus 15, 25Ln. Okay, so 5L square 25 Ln is the answer. And this last example, in the homework. Now let's start 9.5. Before starting this exercise, we have to learn this identities. Okay, identities, standard identities. Some of the formulas are given, you have to learn. You must have to learn because remaining examples are based on this identities. First one, a plus b square is equal to, here it's a plus b all raised to square. Okay, so what is this expansion of this identity? A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is this a plus b square? Here a and b you can consider as a variable. Here instead of this a and b, it can be any constant number or it can be any monomial. 3 plus 2 all raised to square, it can be 3a plus 2 all raised to square. Okay. And here you can say this is the first term, okay, and this b, it is the last term. Once again, this a you can say is the first term and b is the last term. How to expand, how to learn this one? First term square, a square, it means first term square, plus 2 multiplication by 2 into first term a into last term b plus this last term square. Okay, let me repeat once again. A plus b whole raised to square. What is the expansion? First term square. What is the first term? A plus 2 multiply by 2. First term into this last term 2ab plus this last term square b square. This is the expansion. So you can write this equation into your notebook, rough book 10 times. So you will remember it. A plus b whole raised to square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Or else you can speak this way also, first term square plus 2 into first term into last term plus last term square. Second one, a minus b whole raised to square. Now what is the difference? Here minus sign is given, here plus is given. So there is a change in the middle term. Middle term will be the negative if here minus sign is given. Otherwise it will be the same. Okay. A minus b whole raised to square is equal to first term square minus 2ab. It means minus 2 into first term into last term plus last term square. And a plus b into a minus b. So these two variables are given. So you have to square them. We have to put minus sign and you have to square the last term. Here it must be the minus sign. It's reverse. If a square minus b square is the question, then you can expand that equation this way. A plus b into a minus b. Okay. This is about the expression standard identity. Now how to use these identities to solve the examples we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.